All right, so kind of continuing from the last video we made on the Stoeger P300. So the next day, we're here at the farm, and we're gonna go shoot some shit. We brought some pumpkins, we brought a cinder block, and we're gonna go see what this budget turkey gun's all about. All right, we're back. We got this little Stoeger P300. We're gonna take its first shot. I'm nervous because there's no protection for my shoulder. I'm sore just looking at this thing. Put one 3-inch Super Mag number 4 bird shot. See what happens. Wow. It didn't feel good. It hurt. Wow, that's not bad. It's on the board. So to 15 yards, it's not much more than your finger, I would say, your hand rather. You take one more shot just for fun. Shoulder abuse number 2. It hurts a lot more than the Remington, 100%. I would not want to be shooting this all day at skeet or anything like that. That's for damn sure. Huh. That's pretty good pattern for 15-20 yards, the modified choke. I think it's safe to say up to 30 yards, you're probably taking that turkey's head off. You aim a little high. Nice. Yeah, ouch. All right, rifled slug versus cinder block. I don't know. We're gonna learn today. Pretty fucked. Yeah! SKS for cinder block. Yeah, man. Decimated. Nice. You got buckshot too, or are you shooting slugs? Don't remember.
I think I put slugs
in. A mystery bullet, dude. We're gonna call it a mystery round.
No. All right.
All right, we're ready to rock. I got one in the chamber. My safety's off.
Safety off.
Big pumpkin on, go. 1, 2, 3, go. She gone. Oh, let's keep shooting for fun. That's a dead pumpkin.
This thing's bleeding.
Did it shoot?
It shot the first one, yeah.
Oh, it didn't cycle? Well, there you have it. American made, Italian made,
Chinese.
Turkish. I don't know. That was fun. It's cold out though, so I think we're going to get the fuck out of here.